Alrighty, here we are again with some updated pictures. We've made a little bit more progress. We got wings all covered and on the plane. All the control surfaces working, and we're really gaining here. Finally getting something that's getting close to flyable. And probably not the best of pictures here because we're in the basement and got some poor lighting down here. So I'll give you a quick look. Here we go. Come around this side, and you can see that we've got the Kolb wings on here, which I said were not the originals, but they're from a Kolb airplane. They were originally a single strut a wing, but you can see I've got a little helper strut in there to form a triangle, and that just gives them a little bit more of a rigid feel on the plane. They had just a tad bit of yaw in them without those struts, and now we got rid of the yaw. And here's our ailerons. You can see we got them hooked up at the back side here, and if I move them, you see the stick going down there. It's a pretty slick little arrangement. I really like this. Got them hooked up mechanically, no cables here. See a little counterweighted assembly there. Goes down to the stick and works pretty nicely, very smooth. I'm real pleased with the way that turned out. You can see down in there I got some rudder pedals, which are all hooked up and nice. We've got the fuel tank on there, which is welded aluminum, and a little windshield out there. And out front, we'll give you some shots of that, but that's a Mosler engine, not the half a Volkswagen full case that was originally the plan. So we've deviated a little bit from the plan again, which actually is not a great idea. I think the outcome will be fine, even very good, but it does take a lot of extra work when you deviate from the plan. So I think all the EAA guys will be happy to hear me say, if you're building a plane, stick with the plan. It really is the best deal. There's a different shot of the tail section. That turned out really nice too. Controls work nicely. Here's my fuel tank. That's welded aluminum. It made a template out of cardboard and sent it to a shop. I got the front covered with some aluminum sheet. Pretty long motor mount there. I had to add the little extra length to get my CG where I wanted it. And then here's the little Mosler. We got a Tennessee propeller on there. Nice piece of wood. But there's my Mosler. No carburetor on it yet. We still have to do the carb and put a mag on it. But there she is. She's coming along. Nice little windshield. I got the windshield here behind the front struts. I know that that'll make it a little more draggy, but I kind of like the sporty look of having the little rounded windshield there. So we're coming along. Things are looking pretty good, and just wanted to give everybody a shot here and see how we're doing. Lord willing, we're going to be flying this thing this spring. As you can see, I had to put the engine way out there. Oh, it is an interesting thing. Probably wondering what on earth that thing is. My CG ended up being kind of over the wheels, and so with me not in the plane, we're still tail heavy, but to go cranking down on that propeller with me not in the plane, it tips the plane forward. So I have this little strut that comes down, whenever I'm out of the plane. A little unconventional, but it'll all work. Okay, probably the next pictures will be at the airport, hopefully, maybe doing some fast taxiing. Alright guys, have fun, keep building, keep flying. Bye-bye.